friends, running Kimono. It is early, so if I sound a little funny, that's why. And some not so great news that I saw on Instagram this morning. I went to the Dollar General coupon policy, and it looks like overage will be over at the Dollar General. So, yesterday's video with Walgreens, with your new change to their points program or their, customer rewards program. Sorry, it's not a points program anymore. It's no big mystery that Dollar General is rolling this out too. Shout out to Dollar DG Saves with Saunders. I always mess up her name. Very nice lady over on Instagram. She posted about this last night in the wee hours, and she's right on the money about this. So it's looking like they updated their coupon policy on the 20th, and overage will no longer be a thing. So we're going to look at the policy line by line. And yeah. And if I will also leave her Instagram in the notes if you want to go and follow or go and read what people are writing. She always has the best Dollar General information, so please check out her Instagram. Okay, guys, so we're going to read through this and then have a discussion, okay? Coupon overages. Dollar General accepts coupons that have a face value that exceeds the price of the item to which the coupon applies. However, effective as of the most recent update to this policy, the discount received by the customer may not exceed the total pre-tax selling price after all other discounts of the item to which the coupon applies. Dollar General is in the process of converting its point of sale system to a new platform that better supports this policy. Until that process is complete, customers in some stores may receive full face value of a coupon even when it exceeds the pre-tax selling price of the applicable item. Okay, guys, so the date of when this will come into full effect is unknown at this time. It might be in effect at your store. It might not be in effect up here till later. When this will be right across the board, I'm going to guess November the 1st, but that's just a guess, just because, when something hits the fan, it's always November the 1st. If you know that there's been so many Dollar Generals that have had remodels, or they've kind of spruced them up and put new cash registers in. And that's always been the biggest bone of contention at these stores, that, you have a computer since the store was built and the IP number for that is number 1 because it's so old. Or they would just choke or whatever. So they're going to have to do some big software update for this. And if you were always counting on overage for your different purchases, it's going to be over. And to answer another question, is this just for paper coupons or is it for both paper and digital? I'm assuming it's going to be for both. Another company that got away with overage, or they just done away with overage a couple years back, was Target. Before you could get coupon overage, and then I think that all ended in 2014 or 15. So I think it'll be something similar to that. If you have a coupon for an item that's $3 and the product is $2.99, the coupon will get reduced down to $2.99. So we'll have to wait and see, play this one by ear when this happens. Now, just to give you guys a quick example, this is just a fictitious example. So we have this razor that's $4.50. Let's just say we had a $5 coupon, a manufacturer, either a digital or a paper. You would present that, and the product would be nothing, and then you'd have 50 cents of overage to use on a different item. So this perk that a lot of us really enjoyed, especially during clearance events over at the Dollar General, it's over. But we can still get a lot of items for cheap or very inexpensive with coupons, and we'll just have to play this one by ear and see how it plays out. Obviously, the next clearance event, it'll drastically change it, drastically, but I mean, it is what it is. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.